Stop scrolling. Why does it feel like the best upgrades for your life aren't expensive? They're just hidden where you're not looking. Today we're diving into 16 genius Amazon gadgets every man should own in 2026, smart, practical, and seriously satisfying gadgets that upgrade your daily routine without overcomplicating it. These aren't random products. They're useful, well-designed tools built for convenience, efficiency, and a better everyday setup. Some of these are so good, you'll instantly feel like you've been missing out. So don't scroll away. If you enjoy discovering cool, useful gear that actually adds value, smash that subscribe button right now, hit like, and drop a comment on which one you'd grab first. Let's jump straight in. Your desk setup says a lot about you, and this thing makes it look straight out of the future. The Nextus Spacepod changes that instantly by turning your setup into something alive. It shows time, weather, and countdowns while also playing GIFs and digital photos. Being fully open source, you can customize everything exactly how you want. Switch between spaceship and manga themes, connect to Wi-Fi, and keep it always updated. Small screen, big personality. This isn't decor, it's expression. A full concert-style light show used to need expensive gear, but now it fits in your pocket? This is the world's smallest portable laser projector, and the power is insane. With 2W to 5W RGB laser output and up to 200-meter throw, it creates real stage-level visuals anywhere, and you can control everything from an app with just one click. Perfect for parties, content creation, or just turning any space into something crazy. Small size, but the impact is huge. This isn't a gadget? It's a portable concert. Your car mirror only shows what's behind you, but it doesn't actually help beyond that? Turn it into a full smart system with a 12-inch 2.5K display. Record front and rear footage while running Apple CarPlay and Android Auto at the same time. Navigation, music, and calls all happen on one screen with voice control. Bluetooth calling keeps everything hands-free and safe. Zoom view improves visibility and storage comes ready to use. It's not a mirror, it's your car's brain. Now imagine your laptop hits 90°, and suddenly your FPS drops hard, performance dies, and your laptop feels like a heater? This is the Lano, and it's not just a cooling pad, it's a turbofan beast. A massive 5.5-inch fan blasts heat out instantly, while adjustable speed lets you switch from silent mode to full power, and it supports laptops up to 19 inches with the perfect angle. You even get RGB lighting, and a 3-port USB hub so you don't lose connectivity. No throttling, no overheating, just raw performance. Cool laptop. Max FPS. You spot something crazy in the distance, and wished you could zoom in, capture it, and save the moment instantly? That's where these KINGOPT binoculars change the game. It features 8x optical zoom with an ED optical system for sharp, clear visuals. One-button operation makes capturing moments quick and effortless. High-resolution imaging ensures every detail is preserved perfectly. A 4000 mAh battery supports long outdoor use with wireless connectivity. One device that turns viewing into capturing, anytime, anywhere. Your laptop screen is slow, small, and honestly, it kills your vibe. Here's the NexDisplay Mini Pro, a 16-inch 2.5K mini LED display. With 240Hz refresh rate and HDR 1000 brightness, everything looks smooth and insanely sharp. Color accuracy is next level with 100% DCI, P3 and Delta E under 2. It works with laptops, consoles, and even phones without any hassle. One powerful screen that changes how you work and play. One screen. Pro-level everything. Tired of carrying separate gadgets for music, charging, and basic daily needs? Meet the Energy Buddy, your all-in-one everyday carry fix. A 5000 mAh power bank keeps your phone alive, while the built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you play music anywhere. Fold out the phone stand for hands-free viewing, and use the built-in light when you're stuck in the dark. It's compact, portable, and works with almost every device you carry. No extra gadgets, no clutter, just one smart solution in your pocket. One gadget. For problems solved. Your nightstand is full of cables, your phone is dying, and you still reach for the switch in the dark. This 3-in-1 LED bedside lamp cleans all that up instantly. Built-in wireless charging keeps your phone powered without extra wires, while the touch control lets you switch between 5 different color modes and adjust brightness exactly how you like it. It also shows time right on the lamp, so everything you need is in one place. Clean setup, soft lighting, and zero clutter. One lamp, total control. Soldering is messy, slow, and honestly a pain. Meet the world's first 18-in-1 soldering bot, built for makers who mean business. Work ready in just 2 seconds. Compact and portable so you can take your workshop anywhere. Built-in filtered fans keep you safe from fumes. Foldable LED light shows every detail. 20x to 40x magnification means precision work without squinting. This isn't just a tool, it's everything a maker needs in one tiny package. Clean joints, fast work, zero frustration. This isn't a tool, it's your mini workshop in a box. Working on your laptop in bed or on the couch sounds comfortable, until your back starts hurting. That's where AdapDesk changes everything. A fully portable workstation designed to give you a stable, ergonomic setup anywhere, bed, sofa, floor, even outdoors. No more bending, no more neck strain. Lightweight, easy to set up, and built for real comfort. Work, study, or watch for hours without feeling it later. Work anywhere. Stay comfortable. Still washing clothes by hand when you're traveling? It's slow, messy, and honestly a waste of time. This 3-in-1 portable washer and dryer makes it effortless. Just drop your clothes in and it washes, spins, and dries completely hands-free. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for travel, dorms, or small apartments. No setup, no hassle, just add water and press start. Clean clothes anywhere, anytime without the stress or waiting. Laundry becomes something you don't even think about anymore. Laundry done. Wherever you are. Opening cans shouldn't feel like a struggle, or leave dangerous sharp edges behind. With the UltraBlade Pro, it's just one touch and you're done. It cuts smoothly from the side, leaving a clean, safe edge every time. Auto stop feature means no effort needed, and it runs quietly while being fully rechargeable. Perfect for seniors, arthritis, or anyone who wants zero hassle. Compact and even wall-mountable for quick access. Open cans the smart way. You keep tapping, clicking, or fidgeting when you're stressed, and it never really helps. This upgraded magnetic fidget ring actually does. Smooth sliding motion, satisfying mechanical clicks, and a tactile feel that instantly calms your mind. Small, portable, and easy to carry anywhere, desk, travel, or even in meetings. Built for stress relief without distractions, and honestly, it's addictive in the best way. Stress out. Focus in. Cleaning the toilet is messy, unhygienic, and something nobody enjoys doing. This electric toilet brush changes that completely. A high-torque motor scrubs away dirt with zero effort, while dual brush heads handle every corner easily. The self-cleaning base washes and dries the brush automatically, so you never deal with the mess again. Wireless and rechargeable, so no cables, no hassle. Clean bathroom, clean hands, zero contact. Cleaning, without the dirty work. Washing clothes or even fruits usually means chemicals, detergent, and extra effort. Not here. WashWow uses water electrolysis technology to clean and disinfect without any detergent at all. 360-degree cleaning removes dirt, bacteria, and residue safely. Small, portable, and versatile enough for laundry, fruits, vegetables, even baby items. No chemicals, no damage, just smart cleaning powered by water. No detergent. Just smart cleaning. You just saw 16 genius Amazon gadgets every man should own in 2026, and honestly, some of these upgrades make everyday life feel way easier and way smarter. From practical tools to everyday carry essentials, each one was built to add real value without overcomplicating things. And the crazy part? Most people still don't know these exist, yet. Now I want to know, which one are you picking first? Drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed discovering gear like this, hit that subscribe button right now, smash the like button, and share this with someone who needs a serious upgrade. And I'll catch you in the next video, with even better finds you probably haven't seen anywhere else.